curiosity among human race has been one of the main contributors toward the scientific progress that humans have made today. Since the dawn of human civilization, we were very fascinated by the view in the sky, and we were also very curious about what's out there. Every ancient civilization have their own understanding about the space and how things are out there. Riding the same aspirations in the modern time, humans have decided to explore and send their traces into the universe, and that mission of NASA was known as Voyager. Hello and welcome to this episode of Unwoggling Physics. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting space probe mission that's been sent into the deep space in 1970s. The twin Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft are exploring where nothing from Earth has flown before. Continuing on their more than 40 years old journey since 1977 launches, they are much farther away from Earth and the Sun than the Pluto. In August 2012, Voyager 1 made the historic entry into the interstellar space, the region between stars filled with material ejected by the death of nearby stars millions of years ago. Voyager 2 entered the interstellar space on November 5, 2018. Scientists hope to learn more about this region. Both spacecraft are still sending scientific information about their surroundings through Deep Space Network or DSN. The primary mission was the exploration of Jupiter and Saturn. After making a string of discoveries there, such as volcanoes on the Jupiter's moon Io and intricacies of Saturn's ring, the mission was extended. The Voyager 2 went to explore the Uranus and Neptune, and is still the only spacecraft to have ever visited these outer planets. The adventurous current mission, the Voyager Interstellar Mission or VIM, will explore the outermost edge of Sun's domain and beyond. So these two spacecraft were linked with two different purposes. The primary purpose of these spacecraft was Planetary Voyage, and the secondary was the voyage of interstellar space. They both have entered into their second phase. Let's talk about the Planetary Voyage. The twin spacecraft Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched by NASA in separate months in the summer of 1977 from Cape Canaveral, Florida. As originally designed, these Voyager were to conduct close-up studies of Jupiter and Saturn, Saturn's ring, and the larger moons of two planets. To accomplish two missions, the spacecraft were built to last at least 5 years. But as the mission went on, with the successful achievements of all its objectives, the additional flybys of two outermost giant planets, Uranus and Neptune, proved possible and irresistible to mission scientists and engineers at the Voyager's home at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory at Pasadena, California. As the spacecraft flew across the solar system, the remote control reprogramming was used to endow the voyage with greater capabilities than they possessed when they left the Earth. Their two-planet mission became 4. Their 5-year lifetime stretched to 12 and is now 37 years. Eventually, between them, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 would explore all the outer planets of our solar system, 48 of their moons, and unique rings and majestic fields of those planets possess. Had the Voyager mission ended after the Jupiter and Saturn flyby alone, it still would have provided the material to rewrite astronomy textbooks. Now we're going to talk about the another role that Voyager missions are playing after serving their initial purpose of planetary voyage. The second mission was the Voyage Interstellar mission. The mission objective of Voyager Interstellar mission is to extend NASA's exploration of solar system beyond the neighborhood of the outer planets to the outer limit of the sun's sphere of influence and possibly beyond. This extended mission is continuing to characterize the outer solar system environment and search for heliopause boundaries, the outer limit of the sun's magnetic field, and the outward flow of the solar wind. Penetration of the heliopause boundary between the solar wind and the interstellar medium will allow measurement to be made of interstellar field particle waves unaffected by solar wind. These missions were launched on 5th of September 1997 and 20th of August 1997. The Voyager 2 was launched before Voyager 1, but because of a faster route, it went far earlier than the Voyager 1 and surpassed it by December 15. Well, the next big question is, where are they now? In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first spacecraft to cross into the interstellar space. The Voyager mission helped discovering many unseen moons of outer planet of solar system, the rings of other planets, and they are still sending some of the very vital space data. Voyager 1 carries a copy of Golden Record, a message from humanity to the cosmos that includes greeting in 55 different languages, picture of the people, places on the earth, music. This is probably one of the best exploration missions humans have ever tried in the modern time, and it's still sending the information related to the outer space. Hope you liked this episode. Thanks for watching this till this point, and we are happy to provide you more such information in the future as well, because we are just starting. We'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep feeding your curiosity. Thanks for watching.